In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create shared channels in Slack. We'll walk through each click and add helpful context so you know exactly what's happening and why. Start by opening your browser and heading to slack.com, then sign into the workspace where you want this shared channel to live. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple organizations. You can follow along in the desktop app as well, but using the website keeps the steps consistent. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar for the channels section, hover in that area and click the plus icon to create a new channel. Depending on your setup, this icon may say add channels. If you don't see it, you might need permission to create channels, so check with your admin. Now type a channel name, use something short, clear, and searchable. Slack channel names are lowercase and typically use hyphens instead of spaces, so a name like Project Acme Shared is easy to read. Follow your company's naming standards if they exist and avoid including sensitive or personal details. A good name helps teammates quickly understand the channel's purpose, which is especially important when you'll eventually collaborate with partners. Click Next to continue. You'll be prompted to choose visibility. Select Public. A public channel can be discovered and joined by anyone in your workspace, which makes coordination simpler when multiple internal teams need access. Public does not automatically expose the channel to external organizations. It simply means it's visible inside your workspace. If your work requires restricted access, your admin may guide you toward a private setup, but for now we'll keep it public to match this workflow. Go ahead and click Create. Slack will create the channel instantly and place you right inside it. From here, you can refine details whenever you're ready, like adding a topic or description for extra clarity, but those adjustments are optional and can be made later. A quick note on the term shared. The channel you just created is the foundation you'll use with Slack Connect to work with external partners, clients, or vendors, depending on your organization's policies. Many companies require admin review before you can connect outside your workspace, so creating the channel first keeps things organized and ready for approval when the time comes. That's all there is to it. You navigated to Slack, opened the channel creator, named your channel, chose public visibility, and created it successfully. Keep your naming consistent, pick visibility intentionally, and you'll be set up for smooth, secure collaboration when you're ready to share.